up to the Jerusalem. And the people called Hosanna. Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord. That's the name of the Lord, Hosanna. That's why they called the Lord Hosanna. They shouted like a Hosanna.
Oh, tapos.
And the people is 100,000. It is straight. I don't like that.
Lapo.
It's a little scary. I don't like riding. I don't like.
Anong scary dyan? Nakita ng mga tao si Jesus.
But I
Excited sila kasi dumaan si Jesus dyan, no?
But I don't, because I'm scary if I ride in the donkey or horse. That's why I don't want to ride the
Ang
donkey.
tanong dito, di ba yung mga tao, excited sila nung makita sila si Jesus. So, ikaw, paano mo raw makita yung excitement mo kapag nakita mo si Jesus?
Yay!
Ganyan.
Yes, like that.
Bakit ganyan?
Because I want always to see Jesus.
You want to see Jesus? Why do you want to see Jesus?
Because his wonderful face is so
When you see Jesus, what will you say?
Jesus.
If you have a chance to see him or talk to him, what will you say to him?
Jesus.
That's all?
Yes, because I'm afraid. Because I'm a bit shy if I say something to Jesus.
You're a bit afraid. Why will
I'm shy, but I'm a
I'm
bit shy if I first see someone like that. I'm shy. If I first see them like that, I'm shy if I first see them.
why you're shy?
Because if I'm like, because my feeling is a bit shy if I first see them.
Why?
Because I'm a little shy.
Arty mo.
I thought they're gonna eat me.
Jesus?
Yeah,
No.
because he is hot.
Huh?
He is hot. That's why we cannot hold him.
Why he's hot?
Because it's
Sino nagsabing hot?
I just only know because he is in the sun. If you see the sun, that's him. Like
Ganun ba yun? Hindi naman ganun.
yes, those. Mama, you're gonna explain to me because I want to say that's what I learned. You're gonna explain it for me. What are you doing?